Roy, you know the saying, the early bird catches the worm?
Yeah, why the life lesson all of a sudden?
Because I hit Lidl first thing this morning and scored this. A Rette mich for just €3.
3 euros? Hold on! You bought it without even knowing what was inside?
Yep, no clue. But I had a feeling I could turn it into something good.
Let's see what we've got. Oh, green beans. So, what's the plan?
Ooh, I've got an idea. Chinese dry-fried green beans with pork.
Wait, isn't Chinese food basically what delivery apps were invented for?
Watch me change your mind.
No knife?
Nope, just snap off the ends and break them into bite-sized pieces.
Okay, why is this so satisfying?
Give them a good rinse, then dry them really well.
Unless you're into hot oil flying at your face?
Exactly. Scallions, fresh chili, garlic, and plenty of ginger.
Ginger too?
Always with pork, trust me.
And don't even think about going easy on the garlic.
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, vinegar, sugar, black pepper, a drizzle of sesame oil. Mix it all together.
Why not just add them one by one?
No time to measure once the wok gets hot.
Hold on, are we frying these or stir-frying them?
Dry fry method. High heat, just enough oil to blister the skins.
Look at that, those wrinkles, that's restaurant stuff.
Exactly. Tender outside, still crisp inside. Let's set them aside. Now brown the pork until the fat starts to render. Then in go the scallions, garlic, ginger, and chili.
That smells illegal.
Heat all the way up. Pour the sauce around the edge of the wok.
Listen to that sizzle.
Beans go back in. 1 minute over high heat and we're done.
No way, that looks like takeout.
Quit talking. Take a bite.
Wow, crunchy beans, savory pork, that smoky wok flavor? This is ridiculously good.
So, still ordering takeout?
Not for this.
And we're just getting started. 2 more recipes are coming out of this €3 bag.
Wait, now I actually want to see the rest.
Time to get there. It's gonna take a while, we wanna make it last. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take a while, we wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, we wanna make it last.